question number second of exercise 3.2, what is given? On comparing these ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 in some pair of linear equation into variables. Some equations are given. On comparing these ratios, we have to find whether they are intersecting lines, parallel lines or coincident lines. Now three conditions we have studied earlier. First condition is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. If this condition is there, then lines are intersecting. Means lines intersect at a point. And if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then lines are coincident. Means coincident lines. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then lines will be parallel. Lines will be parallel. So, based on these three conditions, we have to tell whether these examples are having intersecting lines, coincident lines or parallel lines. In first part, what is given? 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing these equations with standard equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then a1 is equal to, this is our first equation, then a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 8, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 9. On comparing these ratios, a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6, means minus 2 by 3. As it has proved from this part only, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, so lines are intersect. Like this, we have to do all its parts. In second part, (9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0), 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Again comparing these with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We will get the values of a1 9, b1 3, c1 12, a2 18, b2 6, c2 24. Compare their ratios. Comparing ratios a1 by a2, what is the value of a1? 9. What is the value of a2? 18. We are getting 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2, b1 is 3, b2 is 6, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2, 12 by 24 means 1 by 2. Because a1 by a2 is equal to, all are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, means they are following second condition, means lines are coincident. Now do its third part yourself.